Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use an ambient mode in your Samsung Galaxy SmartThings app. So let's get started. So here let's open the SmartThings app from here. Okay. So here we have the SmartThings app. So as you can see here, SmartThings app. So I will just click on the menu. Then from here I have the many things. So here I can just see on the settings. So from here you can see at last, go to the last, you can see the many things, and you have to go and see for the advanced features, and then you can auto start the embed mode. So by this way you can do it, and it's easy way too. So by this way you can do. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.